Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Beat the heat anytime, anywhere with the Honiitaa 3-in-1 Portable Air Conditioner, your compact solution to cool, humidify, and refresh your space with ease. Designed with efficiency and convenience in mind, this portable device features a high-performance motor and innovative duct system that can lower surrounding temperatures by up to 41 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, this little powerhouse delivers cool, continuous airflow to help you stay comfortable even during the hottest nights. The upgraded ultra-quiet system ensures a peaceful sleep environment. With 3 adjustable wind speeds, you can customize the breeze to match your comfort level while enjoying a restful night with minimal noise. Whether you're using it bedside, on your desk, or in your kitchen, it keeps things cool without disrupting your peace. One of the standout features is the built-in 5200mAh rechargeable battery. Once fully charged, it provides 5 to 10 hours of cooling performance, no cords needed. It's lightweight, compact, and comes with an adjustable handle, making it ideal for bedrooms, dorms, cars, and small personal spaces. Simply charge it using a USB Type-C cable and you're good to go. And with its low energy consumption, it's a cost-effective alternative to traditional Freon-based air conditioners, especially on hot summer days. This is more than just a mini fan. It's a 3-in-1 air cooler, humidifier, and air circulator in one smart design. Add water to the tank, and enjoy up to 12 hours of continuous mist, depending on the speed setting. It's perfect for year-round use, cool and refreshing in summer, and gently hydrating in dry autumn or winter months. While it's powerful for its size, keep in mind that it works best when placed within 3 to 4 feet for maximum effect. It's not a full room air conditioner, it's your personal cooling companion for focused relief wherever you need it. If you're looking for a portable, rechargeable, and multifunctional cooling solution that fits into your lifestyle, the Honiitaa Mini Air Conditioner is a smart pick.